GetResponse tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to get started with GetResponse. Now, what exactly is GetResponse and what can you do with this platform? Well, in today's day and age, it's really important to ensure that you have product follow-ups as well as a good email marketing tool, and GetResponse is exactly what you need. It allows you to automate your marketing and monetize your content all in one application. Plus, GetResponse also has a 30-day free trial that can help you in getting started and setting up your business. Additionally, they have several different plans depending on how many people you want to send out your emails to. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to getresponse.com, and once you do that, you are going to click on 30-day free trial. And once you do that, you can proceed with your full name, password, and a suitable email address. So if you want, you can go with this manual method, or you can also scroll down and sign up with Microsoft or Google. So I'm just going to proceed with Google over here to get started with our GetResponse account. So we're going to just select our Google account, click on continue, and from here our brand new GetResponse trial can be started. Now over here we're going to complete our basic information, which includes our last name, our country, as well as our address. Once I do that, I can click on next step, and then we can proceed on to the next step, which is going to be to set up our account. Now over here, we can choose our plan for dedicated onboarding support, but we are just going to skip that for now. And we can proceed directly into the basic setup of GetResponse. Now on the top right, you're going to have your account settings where you also have your account management, emails, and domains. So if you do have a custom email or domain that you're looking to connect, you can connect that from there. Or you can directly jump right into contacts, reports, and all of the tools on GetResponse. Now, by default, GetResponse has a toolbar which allows you to access contacts and reports. But if you want to use all of their tools, you can go into the tools section. Now, if you click on contacts over here, contacts are divided with different features. So contacts can be organized in the form of a list, a segment, and you can also build contact reports as well as view your list hygiene and suppression lists. Now you can also add custom fields to contacts, and you can add contacts manually one by one. Your free account will have a limit of 500 contacts, so the default contact is going to be you that is added. And then after that, you can click on add contacts over here. And if you want, you can also import your contact. So if you have a CSV file, or if you were previously using another platform, you can also integrate that into GetResponse. Now, for us today, we're going to add one contact manually. Now, once you do that, you're going to choose which list you want to add them to, because you might have different businesses with different email marketing lists. So for us, we're just going to add this to our Lily Guide to list, and we can add the autoresponder cycle. Then below that, we have their email address. So their email address is, let's say, wd@gmail.com over here. Now, once we've done that, if we go on to the name, we can add their name. Let's say it's Willow, Derek, and then we can add their phone number as well. Now, if you have other fields or other bits of information that you want to add about each particular person that you are adding, you can also go ahead and add a custom field. So if I want to add if they are a VIP customer, or if they are, whether or not they are subscribed to all of our newsletters, we can add custom fields to specify those things as well. Now I'm going to ensure that we have permission, and then we can click on save and go to list, or click on save and go to another list. I'm just going to add this email over here. Now, once we've done that, we can proceed on to our next section, which is organization. So in your organization, you can proceed with just searching for a contact, or you can go into the segments tool and segment different contacts based upon certain behaviors. So you can click on contacts list over here. And then in this particular list, currently I only have 2 contacts, and we can click on show contacts like this. we have our full list, and we can display certain behaviors. So we can click on modify columns and add more columns as well. We can also add tags, import statistics, add custom fields as well. Now, after that, we can go into tools over here, and in our tools section, we have communication tools, visibility tools, as well as automation tools. So we can proceed with building our own emails. We can even use the help of AI, and we can even connect with integrations and APIs. So from here, we are going to proceed on to our email marketing tool, which is one of the primary features of GetResponse. So once you do that, you can proceed with building a newsletter. You can execute a automation sequence, which can have a certain starting point, and then your emails would be sent out in that particular sequence to your customers. So you can click on create newsletter over here, and once you do, you have two options. You can build it from scratch, or you can use their email AI generator. So we're going to be proceeding on to the AI tool because everyone wants to use AI to simplify their business processes. And why should we do anything from scratch when AI can help us in building some tried and tested, amazing templates that are useful as well as are going to rank well in conversion rates? So from here, we're going to specify what our email is about. So let's say that this is going to be a sale announcement for my clothing brand called Spencer. The sale is our annual spring sale and offers up to 70% off. And our business is retail clothing. Then we can go into more settings to specify this further. So this is for customers, and what kind of email this is a sale email. And then I'm going to click on next. The tone can be formal, inspirational, friendly, but I think I just want it to be friendly. And then I'm just going to click on next. Once I've done that, I can choose my favorite layout. So I'm going to go with a one column layout, and we can choose the type of color scheme we want to use. I want to use a pastel palette, and we can also upload our logo and then click on generate. Once I do that, the email is going to be generated for me. So we're just going to be waiting for the email to be generated so that we can proceed. Now over here, our email has been generated, and we can customize this however we like. So your complete personal preference can be, catered within these templates. You can click on the top where it says logo, and you will have your header. You will have your show logo option. If you don't have a logo, you can hide this as well. And you can click on any block to customize it from the right. And if you want to add or remove anything, simply hover your cursor, click on delete, and the item can be deleted. If you want to add anything, you can go on to the right over here and then choose any type of block or section you want to add. Once completed, click on next over here. And once you click on next, you can choose who you want to send this email to and what should be the title of your email, as well as the basic preview text of your email, because these are really important fields that a lot of people do overlook when they are sending out emails by themselves. So you're going to go on ahead, add the subject line, recipients, and your content is ready, and you can schedule this for later or send it immediately. And that is how you can get started with GetResponse. Now, if you have a sending list of under 1,000 people, the starter plan is only $15.58 a month, and this is with yearly billing. So if you go with monthly billing, it's going to be $19. Their marketer plan is $48, as well as the creator, which is $56, which gives you a feature-packed tool for all types of automations relating to your marketing, email sequencing, automations, and more. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.